joining me on my YouTube channel. Stay tuned, because it's going to be fun. So I'm trying something different today. I have a crock pot. I've got some chicken soup in there, and right there is my Kodiak Energy. It's secured in here with a tie down to the stuff underneath the seat. And here I have the Dometic refrigerator, 2 tie downs around the back of the seat. It works very well. I love it. I can just reach up here and get something to eat or drink on the road. But the interesting thing today is the crock pot. Okay, I'm going to see how well the crock pot does with the Kodiak. And I have it on high, and I have the Kodiak is all totally charged up, so we will see. I'll let you know. Can you pick out the sheepdog in there? Yeah, there's a dog in there. It's the cutest thing. You can hear the crunching of the grass. Aren't they gorgeous? Record rainfall brings California poppies. Do you know they're an endangered species? If you plant them in your yard, you're not allowed to dig them up. Look at them way up against the hills over there. Okay, the crock pot came out well. The chicken soup is very good. And I used up all but one of my green dots on the Kodiak Energy generator. So these little purple flowers are the storkbill. See the seed pod? Like little storks, huh? So here is the seed of the storkbill. All those little purple flowers. Look, it looks like a little arrow, and it has a little curly end on it. So it can really get in the dog's fur. Interesting seed, huh? Just listening to these amazing birds. Baby Snow? Baby Snow? Are you having a good time? Here are the birdies. Okay, I'm cooking a little dinner here with my Inergy Kodiak generator. It's down underneath that bag. And I got it hooked up here to my induction cooktop. Got a little table. That's this little table at Walmart. 20 bucks. And I'm cooking up some chicken fettuccine with broccoli. Yum. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And be sure and subscribe and like and share and ring the bell so you'll know when I made a new one. And remember that Jesus has given us eternal life, and we have hope and peace because of that. When I first moved to California, I used to think, why is everyone rushing around so much? Don't they know we have eternal life? So we'll see you next time. Adios. Mwah.